Blacksmith Fork, little brown trout, and a caddis. Fun, fun, fun. Alright, I'll be back in a sec. Oh my God. There's one. Beautiful. Little teeny bugger, but you know what? I got a little teeny fly rod. My beautiful 4-weight that I made this winter. Love it. Makes a little fish feel big. This is a barbed hook, but it's a micro barb. Shouldn't, it's dragging. Nobody should take that, but a little one tried for it. Get my line over here so I don't get that drag. Perfect. Oh, that's too small. I don't want that small a fish. Come on. Even on my 4-weight, I can't feel that one. Cut. Good, good, good. Just the way I like to release them. Alright, first one was the biggest again. So wait, gotta wait a second longer on that. He was headed back down. There he is. Same fish. Same fish. Wow. You can tell when a fish is hungry because he eats the whole thing. Look at that. I am not just getting them, they are eating it. I love it. Haha. He knew it was fake. He knew it was a fakey. Oh, that was one. Where the heck am I? Come on, Doug, see your fly. There it is. Whoa, jeez. I'm telling you what, I have never had such good fishing on this river. Ever. Ever. That's a brown. The best one yet. Better than my first one. A little fatter too. Still eating it all the way. Look at that. Gosh. Wake up. Come on. That's a better fish. I like that. You have to admit, those browns are just aggressive, fighting fish. Love them. I bet there's a bigger one up there. Might have mangled my fly too much. Actually, the fly looks pretty good. I'm surprised. Wish I could see it. Maybe you guys can. I can't. So I saw it to begin with. Let go of there. Saw it to begin with. Then what I was watching was a leaf. Pretty up there. All right, here we go. Where is it? Where is it? There's one. Look at that. He just barely hit the surface. I thought he was a little teeny, but it's a good fish, I think. Well, decent. Better than most I've caught. Love it. I love it. Whoa. Yeah, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. I usually bring my net. So much easier to land a fish with a net. And I can get the hook out so much quicker. Look at that. That's a beauty. Come here. Doesn't want to quit. Wow, good one. Best one yet. I keep saying that, but that's because they keep getting bigger. Who knew? Who knew Doug could come up and have a day like this? Well, I guessed or I wouldn't be here. How about that? Oh man, I'm good. I keep myself entertained. Linda and I are the champions of tennis tonight. Millville Tennis Tournament. Champ. Must be my lucky day. Alright. Enough for this hole, right? I gotta get going, but maybe one more hole. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. It's like telling Linda I'm only gonna be an hour. Okay, I've seen a ton of fish jumping right here. Oh, felled him. Gosh. They're hitting, I just can't see my fly. So, here we go. Okay, a little further up. Let's try a little further up. Fish jumping all over up there. There's one. Tied this fly last night. Gotta catch one more fish. One more brown. Take it home to Dawson so we can cook it. Got him. How about that, huh? I saw him jumping over there. I thought he'd come up and take it. Must be a brown. This is our keeper. Yep, it's a beautiful brown. Alrighty, here we come, buddy. Dawson, coming home for you. Hi, Liam. Will you go fishing with Grandpa?
Sure, Grandpa.
Come on, let's go fishing.
Okay.
Come on, let's go fishing, okay? Okay, I'll show you how. Okay? Here we go. Come over here. Okay, stand right here. Okay, here's the fishing pole. You got it? Okay, let's see what happens. You have it? Okay, keep pulling it. Oh, you got one! You got one! Oh my goodness! Look at that! You caught a fishy! Look at that!
A fish!
You caught a fishy! Wow! Here, hold the fishing pole. You got it?
Fish.
Wow! Good catch! Give me... Yeah, it's a fish! You want to cook it?
Cook it.
Dawson wants to cook it. Do you want to catch it again? What do you got? What is it? Oh! It's a fishy!
You see that fish?
What is it? Is it a fishy? Yay! What is it? Is that a fish in there?
Do you want to catch? What is that?
What?
Your turn.
is.